Yo guys, today I just learned new informations about the Blender and I just want to share with you guys. So okay, let's just start it. Let's go to sculpt mode. Okay, so in ZBrush, when you want to move something with just connected geometry, you can just use, instead of the regular move brush, you can just go here and pick the move topology. So as you can see, that software doesn't affect the other one because they are not connected. I thought there is no way to do this for Blender, which is there's a way. So to do this, you need to press N to open this menu. You need to go to Tool, and yeah, here we go. Now we go to Advanced, which is right here. And yeah, as you can see, guys, there's a topology option there. When you turn on that, voila, this is real lifesaver. I mean, I don't do sculpts in the Blender, but I use the Move brush for the poly modeling and other stuff, which is that will be really helpful for me. So yeah, let's hop on the second information. Here's the second information I learned, which is you can actually pin these. Like, I didn't know that. I thought that that's just not possible. But yeah, to do that, let's go here. Let's right click the menu and pin that. Okay, that's it. So when you go to item, you will able to see it here, and you can also do it for the transform. And I don't know, maybe you can just go here. We can do it here, and yeah, now we created our own menu, and you can change the locations of these menus. And voila, I didn't know that, and I've been using Blender for years, so this is crazy helpful tip. And yeah, let's open the next one. Okay, for the next tip, let's say you got a curve and you got a ring, I don't know. Let's just say you got something like that, and these needs to be connected at some point, okay? So when I move that, this is not gonna be connected. So when I do this, like move it a little, I need to change these manually, which is can be a lot of work. I don't know. But anyways, here's the solution. So first of all, you need to select the mesh, okay? Then you will select the curve. You will select the which part you want to connect, which is in this scenario, that's this vertical here. So you can just use your search bar, uh, yeah, like that, and search the hook. There is an option called hook to selected object, and when you click that, it will automatically add a modifier in your curve. So let's do the same thing. Make sure you select this mesh first, okay? Let's do the same thing, and okay, so as you can see, they are now connected, which is really time saver. I mean, instead of fixing them manually, that will be peak. So yeah, I hope this information helps you in your modeling journey. Have a good day.